Hey everyone, it's your go-to tech reviewer, and I'm here with a brand new review and unboxing video for you. Today, let's take a look at the Poco M5, one of the best low-budget gaming phones considered in the marketplace. This affordable gaming phone is recognized for its impressive packaging and unique features. Let's see what you get out of the box. Inside the box, you'll find the smartphone and a charger with a powerful 18 watts fast charging support, a USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, a soft silicone case, and some documentation. The Poco M5 is equipped with a 6.58-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. It features a 90 Hz refresh rate with dynamic switch for smooth and seamless visuals, especially during playing games. Under the hood, the Poco M5 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chip, which is 4G compatible and yet a highly efficient processor. It also has the Game Turbo 5.0, which is a useful feature to refine your gaming experience and provides an extended toolbar for in-game settings and improved performance. It also comes with a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor, which should be able to take some great photos. In terms of design, it has a premium leather texture on the back and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 in front. The Poco M5 is equipped with a non-removable 5000 mAh battery that allows for fast wired charging at 18 watts. Overall, the Poco M5 is a complete package with a stylish design and numerous features. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Poco M5 and whether it's worth buying or not. If you enjoy my videos and want to see more, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and turn on the notifications to stay updated on my latest uploads. Don't forget to share my videos to show your support, and feel free to follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms for additional content. I appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future. See you in the next one.